everyone, it's Debbie with Debbie's Kitchen Corner. The great thing about this yogurt is that it is plain, and whatever you choose to put on top or in it is really up to you. So your creativity is really the limit. At the end of this video, I will also share with you what we as a family like to put on top or in it. Shall we get started? Oh, before I forget, if you haven't subscribed yet, make sure you subscribe so you don't miss out on any of our delicious recipes. I think now I'm ready. Add a half of a gallon of milk into the pot. I use whole milk, but you can also use a 2% milk or whatever you have at home. Slowly heat up the milk to about 205 Fahrenheit. Stir occasionally so the milk does not burn on the bottom. Let's see where we are with the temperature. We need to be between 205 and 210. So we are at 159, and that means we still have ways to go. Got to stir, stir, stir. It should be close now. 201, 205. Okay, we're good. Now let's pour it into a glass bowl. Let it cool down to 115 degrees Fahrenheit. Okay, we are at 117, close enough. Also remove the skin on the top. So in order to make a yogurt, you have to have some kind of a yogurt starter. And the best thing is to use plain yogurt. Fat, non-fat, Greek, regular, makes really no difference. But what you need to pay attention to, that it says, contains live and active cultures. That's what you need to look for. And you can use any brand as long as it has active cultures in it. Just make sure you read on the label. And you only really need like a little bit. Like this. This is already enough. And what I do, I put this in a glass. And then I take some of the milk from here. And I mix it. I guess I should have taken a bigger spoon. Oh well. Takes a bit longer. Now we're just gonna pour that in. Then we take a whisk and we mix it really well. And then we let it stand on a warm place for about 6 to 12 hours. You can put on a wrap over it if you want, but it's not necessary. Personally, I put it in my cold oven. I turn on the light inside for about an hour, and the oven gets warm just a bit. I put a lid from a different bowl over it because it's very loose, and then I turn on the oven light, but for 1 hour. This is what it looks like after 10 hours. Do you see how nice and stiff it is? So if you want Greek yogurt, all you have to do is put this yogurt in a cheesecloth and hang it up for, I would say, at least 6 hours. You need to drain the leftover whey. So this is regular plain yogurt. Let's put it in a bowl and see how it tastes. Also what I would do is give it a quick stir. See how creamy it is? Okay, here we go. Very good. Nice and smooth. So one of my favorite things to do is to put honey in it. Let's do that. And you can put as much or as little as you like. You stir it. And there you go, you have honey yogurt. This is actually my favorite. And the greatest thing about this yogurt is that it has no added sugar in it. Only what you put in. So it is way more healthier than the store-bought one, in my opinion. Now let me show you some more of our favorite toppings you can use. So here we have strawberries, raspberries, granola, jelly, just to name a few. We also love banana and lemon. I hope I inspired you to make your own yogurt and create some amazing flavors for it. Maybe you want to share in the comment section on what you have used so everybody can benefit from it. Thank you very much for watching, and I will see you in my next video.